What if I told you that even with bad credit, you could get a personal loan as fast as 24 hours? Maybe you've been denied before. Banks see your low score and they slam the door in your face. But here's the truth. I have helped a lot of people get approved with credit scores under 600. And today I'll be revealing some awesome websites where you can get approved yourself. Welcome back to the channel. If your credit score has been dragging you down, this video is your game plan. Let's break down real lenders that say yes to your bad credit score, plus the traps to avoid. Stick around, this could save you thousands of dollars. First, yes, it is possible, but you need to know where to look. Traditional banks, probably not. Most of these lenders that I'm about to share with you today are online lenders, so you can literally apply right after you finish watching this video. Also, I will share a mobile app that you can download as well if you need some quick cash. And now let's quickly talk about the things that you need to avoid. Do not fall for these traps, no matter how much they hype them up. First, do not take out any payday loans that have a 500% APR. This will trap you in endless debt. Such high interest rates will almost make it impossible for you to pay that loan off. So definitely be wary of those extremely high APRs. Second, stay away from title loans. It is not worth losing your vehicle over a $500 loan. I've seen a ton of people that need quick cash. They put their title on the line to their vehicle. Next thing you know, they get a $500 loan with a very high interest rate. They miss a couple of payments. They're unable to pay. Next thing you know, their vehicle is being towed and repoed by the title loan company. So definitely avoid title loans at all costs. One final thing that you need to avoid is guaranteed approval scams. Never pay upfront fees for any type of personal loan. I've seen a ton of people fall for this scam. People that are in very difficult situations that need quick cash, they find these websites online. They say, we're going to guarantee an approval for you. All you got to do is pay this $100 upfront fee. Next thing you know, you pay that upfront fee and your money is gone. You do not get approved. So stay away from anyone that guarantees approval. Chances are they're only in it to get you to pay that upfront fee. So those are the things that you need to avoid when looking for a personal loan online. And now let's talk about some real lenders that can actually get you approved even with a very low credit score. And these lenders are trusted, they are verified, and they do not charge any upfront fees. So the first lender that I want to talk about is called Upstart. This is one of the most popular online lenders in the United States. They have a very good reputation, 4.9 stars out of 5 on Trustpilot, and you are able to get approved instantly. This, in my opinion, is one of the best sites out there. Next day funding. So if you get approved today, chances are the money will be in your bank account the following day. Also, there are no hidden fees or prepayment penalties. One thing that I do love about Upstart is it does not affect your credit score. So you can get pre-approved for a loan without ever having to run your credit score. So if your credit score is already low and you do not want to drag it even lower, Upstart might be the best solution for you. With Upstart, you are able to get flexible loan amounts. You can get a personal loan from $1,000 all the way up to $50,000. So this fits in a lot of people's budgets. Best of all, they have fixed rates and terms. So you can get a 3-year loan or a 5-year loan depending on your financial situation. And they have decent interest rates starting at 6.75%. Obviously, if you're watching this video a month from now, 3 months from now, chances are the interest rates might be lower. So definitely check out Upstart. Best of all, no prepayment fees, so you can pay off the loan whenever you want. I will have a link to Upstart in the description box below, and I will have links to all the other websites that I'm about to mention in today's video. The second site that I want to mention, it is called Lenme, Investing and Borrowing. This is an app that I mentioned earlier that you can download on your mobile phone if you want instant cash. So you are able to get anywhere between between $200 all the way up to $5,000. Best of all, everything is done in your mobile phone, so you'll be able to get cash on the go whenever you need it. Also, they have decent interest rates. Also, with this app, you are also able to lend money to other people as well. So let's say you have some extra cash laying around and you want to earn some money, you can lend it on the Lenme app and earn some interest. A great way to make some extra money. Lender number 3 is called Credit Ninja. This one is a popular one as well, and they have been online for many years. Great reputation, great service, and a lot of different options for people with bad credit scores, good credit scores, poor credit scores, whatever type of credit score. Chances are Credit Ninja will be able to take care of you. Also, the entire application process is online, and if you get approved, you can get the money that same day. Obviously, the earlier in the day you apply, the chances of you getting the money before the bank closes are much higher, and they have flexible repayment options. And when we scroll down, you will see that Credit Ninja was established in 2018, and they have issued over 475,000 loans with over 250,000 customers. So Credit Ninja might be a great option for a lot of people. And now let's finally talk about the fourth option, and it is called Viva Finance, affordable loans for employees. If you have a job, chances are they will not even look at your credit score. So what makes Viva Finance different from a lot of other lenders is they do not care about your credit score. They care if you have a job and if you have an income coming in. You are able to get loans up to $10,000, apply in under 10 minutes, and they have 5-star customer service. So if you have a job, chances are you'll be able to get a personal loan. This one, in my opinion, is a very good one, especially for people that have very poor credit scores. So if you need to consolidate debt, refinance credit cards, or an unexpected expense, chances are you'll be able to get some money with Viva Finance. Also, everything is done online, and you'll be able to get the money really quick. So definitely check out Viva Finance. The link will be in the description box below. Now, here are some tips that can help you get approved for a personal loan, especially if you are in a very tight situation and your credit score is very low. First off, this is something that a lot of people do not know. You can apply at multiple places. For example, all the 4 sites that I mentioned and the other sites that I have in the description box below, you can apply for all of them to see which one approves you for your money. But it has to be in a 14-day time frame, simply because the credit bureaus treat multiple applications as one inquiry if done in a span of 14 days. So you can apply at your local bank, at an online lender, at a different place. They will all check your credit score. But if done in the span of 14 days, it will only count as one inquiry. So do not be afraid to shop around as much as possible in order to get the best deal. Tip number 2, make sure you know your exact credit score, but most importantly, know your FICO score. A lot of lenders, they look at your FICO score. So if you have any type of credit card, chances are when you log into your account, you'll be able to see your credit score, but you will also be able to see your FICO score, which is what a lot of lenders look at when approving your loan. Step 3, this one is more difficult, and it is to get a co-signer. This will drastically improve your chances of getting approved even if your credit score is under 600. So getting a loan with a bad credit score isn't easy, but it's 100% possible if you know how it's done and if you know where to look. So that is all I have for today's video. All the links will be in the description box below. I appreciate you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Make sure to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.